welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So someone asked that I do this video, so I tried to do it for you guys. So the question is, Ma, what is the new procedure? Can you please make a new procedure about authentication at MOE and at Mofa? Sorry, I have the allergy to the primavera in Italy. So manage with how I'm sniffing my nose. I can't help it. So I said, all right, let me do that. Now, on the 15th of April, MOE released a statement. I will attach the copy to this video where they are saying this is MOE. MOE is the Ministry of Education. Now, normally for Italy, you're supposed to authenticate a document at Ministry of Education, which is educational documents. Then also authenticate educational and non-educational at Mofa, which is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. These both ministries are in Abuja. But now, Ministry of Education has changed their method, which is good because now you don't have to physically go to the Ministry of Education anymore to get your documents authenticated. So all your educational documents now are going to be authenticated online via their platform. Okay, and then your transcript has to be sent directly from your university to the Ministry of Education portal. Do you understand me? So you don't go there physically. Now, so everything is done online. You're going to upload your documents online, do your remitter online. Everything is done online. You don't have to physically there anymore at Ministry of Education. Now, if you're going to be to upload your documents on the portal, cost 4,000 naira per page. That's the current cost. So now it's on the high side per page. So you upload all your documents in cleared copy. Cleared copy. Know that your transcript is already have been sent to the Ministry of Education already. So you will also upload your transcript, okay? But at least they've received it and it's already confirmed that they've has gotten to them. Now, when you upload all this your document, they're going to do the authentication online. When they do the authentication online, they're going to authenticate it like if a digital stamp is going to be on it. So when they are done, they will forward everything to your email. By the time you receive it in your email, you will print them out, clear copy, and make sure that you are sure that what you printed out, what they sent to your email at the end of the day, it is the same thing as what you uploaded when you were uploading on their portal. Now, you see those copies that you've printed out that they digitally stamped or digitally authenticated at the Ministry of Education. You will take those documents now to Mofa. Mofa, you still have to present yourself physically. That's the disadvantage because these two ministries are in Abuja. So one is not, the other one is. So you now go take those copies to Mofa. Mofa will now stamp them physically. Mofa has not changed their method, they are still stamping physically. Now, both your educational document and non-educational document is what Mofa stamps, and then you get your revenue receipt and your remitter. So that's the difference now. Unlike the old method where you have to get both, where you have to authenticate both photocopy and original copies at MOE, no more. MOE doesn't have no business with you physically anymore. Although I heard some embassies are not accepting this new method of the Ministry of Education, but I think it's not about you or the ministry. It's a secular thing. Like they are yet to send that circular to this embassy that this is the new method. But currently, I haven't had any problem with anybody using that for Italy. Just note that Mofa still has to authenticate that copy that you got from MOE. So not that you just finish with MOE, you won't go to Mofa anymore. No, that's the mistake some people are making. That copy that you downloaded from their email that MOE sent to you, you will have to take it to Mofa, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, to get it physically stamped and their signature on it, just like the old method used to be. So it is first MOE, then you now go to Mofa. Okay, so guys, that's the new method. Now, in case you still can't go to Abuja, like I will always say, I offer the services of authentication. Okay, so I can help you do that. Not yes, help, but it's for a fee anyway. So if you know you are done your authentication at the Ministry of Education, they've gotten back to you, but you don't have anyone to take these documents now to Mofa, you can contact me. But please, I will have to be very sure that what you're giving to me from MOE, just to be on the safer side, is what you upload on your portal. So I can help you construct that, or you can also do it yourself. Okay, so I will drop the email address that your school is sending your transcript to. And I will, so guys, that's what is going on currently. I wish you all the best for those of you still trying to find your way on how to come to Italy to study. Don't forget, I have a Telegram group where I guide students. I can also help you with guidance on your proof of funds. Yes, knowing the documents to submit and everything you need to know about how to go about your proof of fund. Um, what else do I do? Consultation, one-on-one consultation. I also offer that. And I also help people get admission and full package on the full guidance from the beginning to the ending on your whole visa process for Italy. Yes. And I also help people with family reunion visa, in case you don't know that. Yes, yes, yes. So, guys, see you in another video. Bye. Please don't forget to like my video. Grazie. Ciao.